Morning, everybody. This is Cub the Toolman and karate instructor by night. Anyway, you want to know what a karate instructor has to do with plumbing, right? Well, actually, I'm a retired master plumber, and I've been a karate instructor for about 38 years. Anyway, we're going to talk about the domestic today on your coil, and we're going to talk about your mixing valve and also the element inside the mixing valve. Now, you're asking, what is a mixing valve? Well, the mixing valve is what supplies your hot water to your house and to your sinks and also your showers, so you don't have to have a cold shower, okay? So anyway, I get these phone calls and people say, well, you know, Cub, we don't have any hot water anymore, or we got minimum amounts of hot water, or it's lukewarm, or the hot water doesn't last long. What's the problem? Well, unlike a hot water tank, the domestic water comes from a heating system, okay? So come on over here and I'll show you how to fix this problem and what it looks like. Come right over here. Wow, you can tell I'm going to be 59 years old in about 5 days. That's getting harder to do. Anyway, let's take a look at the mixing valve and the domestic. I'll point it out to you. Okay, right over here. Okay, I don't know if you can see this or not. Hopefully you can. This here is the mixing valve. Okay, and I'm going to show you how that's supplied to the boiler. And also over here, right up here, this round thing right here, I don't know if you can see it or not, this is your coil. This is inside your boiler. Okay, and let me get up here so I can show you a little bit more. Okay, over here, you have to make sure you shut it off before you change this element. Okay, so over here you can see there's a valve right here. Okay, this is your cold water supply from your house into your coil, and it comes down here. You can follow it here, and it goes into the coil. Now it goes inside these little windy things. It kind of looks like the intestines of your stomach inside this coil. All right, so it comes down here and comes out to the bottom here, as you can see, and it comes down and it goes into your mixing valve. Okay, let's get a top view of it right here. All right, so inside this coil, inside the mixing valve, there's an element. Okay, and what happens is that element gets sticky or it gets dirty and you have to replace it. It's only the size of a little kiss. That's all. You know those little chocolate kisses? That's what it looks like. Anyway, so I'm going to show you how to change that. That's why you don't have any hot water, or it's limited. Okay, what you want to do with this thing, okay, is you want to unscrew this. Okay, you can unscrew it from 3 different ways. I'll let you see it here. All right, you can see right here. You can take it apart here and here, or here. All right, and what you want to do is you want to unscrew that. All right, right here. Unscrew this, and you pull this out, and inside there is the element, and all you do is you put it back in, screw this back on, and voila, you got hot water. But you got to remember, you have to turn off the cold water first. Remember, the cold water supply, the valve that I showed you up here. Okay, this cold water feeds that mixing valve. You have to shut it off before you fix the element. Okay, it's really important that you do that. Really important. Okay, and that should solve your problems. Anyway, some of you out there has a hot water tank. Okay, it does the same thing, and sometimes the hot water tanks are also on the heating system itself. They're tied in together, and they use it what we call a superstore. But we're not going to get very complicated on that. What it does is you got more hot water, and that's all it is. Now remember, when you change this thing, make sure that you shut off the cold water supply. If you don't, you're going to get wet. Now, I'm going to change this, okay? So, well, that's cold. Like I said, make sure you turn off the cold water supply. See you later. Take care. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to email me, okay? Email is graydonlewis@hotmail.com. GRAYDONLEWIS@hotmail.com. And I'll answer any questions. I'll get a hold of me on Facebook, and I'll be glad to help you out. Anyway, man, I feel like I'm in a wet diaper. Take care and peace. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Wow, that was cold.